Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open Magnifier in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to open Magnifier on Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start. After click on, now scroll down. After click on ease of access. Now click on Magnifier. That is. If you want to zoom in, to click it. That is 16,000. And if you want to zoom out, so click it. That that 100. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open Magnifier on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.